Ngayon, pupunta kami sa Joplin para manood para may mga car show sila doon. Arts and fun stuff for kids. Nabuta kami ng tren. So ganito dito, kung may pupuntahan kang lugar tapos sa kabila pa na may riles. Tapos may dumaan na tren, ayan, you have to wait kasi sobrang haba niyan. Yan, tapos na. Yung car show. Yan, dami nagbibenta dito. We're in Joplin. Vendors. Car show, different cars here. Vintage. Very beautiful cars. Look at this one, oh. Ganda. This one, oh, beautiful. Sports car. And this one, vintage. Yeah. Sports car.
Change oil every 3,000 miles. Okay, nice and clean under here.
Nandito na.
Right? She's got
Be like this. Taste, show yours. Show yours taste. Look at that, Turner. Look at Kuya taste.
Turner, good job.
You're almost done. Okay, great job. Okay, let's wipe that nose.
Babysitting dogs. Are the dogs of Mr. Will while they're buying ice cone. There.
Suck it up. No taste, no.
Yan na, oh. Turner!